There we have a OPPO A57s, and today I will show you how you can scan QR codes on this device. So in the first step you have to open your camera. Now tap this little icon to open the Google Lens. Click here Open Camera and add the permission. Add the permission again, and now just show QR code to your device. And that's it. Now you can go to the web browser. How you can see it's worked perfectly. This is the QR code address. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.